Hey guys, so I'm going to Universal right now, or not Universal, technically Universal, but basically Volcano Bay, to get a construction update for you guys. I've been passing the Volcano Bay construction a lot lately, on the road and stuff, but I never have gotten out, you know, and actually got close-up construction shots and stuff, so I will show you guys that. Just gotta get there, so see you when I'm there. Alright, so yeah, Universal, right here. You can sort of see the cranes and stuff, but we'll get a much closer up view because I'm getting off right now. And so yeah, it's gonna be pretty cool. I cannot wait to get construction shots for you guys. So yeah, I'm trying to figure out which exit to get off. I guess I'm gonna get off at Sand Lake Boulevard, if you guys know. I don't know. Somebody told me there's a pretty good sidewalk where you can get some cool pictures and videos and stuff. So yeah, and check this out guys, Volcano Bay, pretty cool. This looks very nice, and the construction is coming along pretty nicely. There's a lot going on obviously, but you know, I'll have to do more construction updates as time goes on. Wow, check it out. Universal Volcano Bay. Universal's Volcano Bay. So I'm trying to find Volcano Bay. It's a little confusing. I'll be completely honest. Universal is confusing. Driving around and trying to figure out like where everything is, it's really confusing. Especially since I'm not familiar with the area. Oh, I actually see it now. But yeah, I wish Universal wasn't so confusing. Disney knows, you know, how to do their property and all that. But Universal is just very confusing. I wish they had, you know, it kind of laid out more. You know, Disney has road signs and everything. Universal, it's confusing. But anyways, yeah. Oh, check this out, guys. Wow, Volcano Bay. That's pretty cool. Wow. That is cool. That is really, really cool. Alright guys, I'm right now across the street from Volcano Bay, the water park, under construction right now. I think it's set to open in 2018 or 2019. No, actually it might actually open up in 2017. I don't know, they haven't really announced a whole lot yet. We're just gonna have to wait and see. But you have Cabana Bay Beach Resort right there, and then Volcano Bay pretty much right next door. And it's themed to like a volcano. So you have a lot of slides in this volcano, that volcano-like structure they're starting to build, and then just a bunch of, you know, open slides that don't have a whole lot of theming, but, you know, I don't know, kind of be like a themed Wet n Wild, sort of. Anyways, yeah, so I'm going to be recording some of the construction from the sidewalk. I'll be standing right here on the sidewalk during the entire time. I will not be walking in any restricted areas or unauthorized areas. So if they come out to greet me, just saying. But yeah, you can get some cool pictures right here along the sidewalk. So you can kind of see behind here, there's like structures going up. Hey, did they recently add like a green tarp over the fence? So I'm guessing this is going to be like a giant water slide structure of some kind. Looks like they have some sort of building here. Not sure if it's part of Volcano Bay or if it's just like temporary. This is super cool. So this fence kind of looks ugly. I hope when they actually are done with it, they put a much nicer fence up. But anyways, yeah. So it looks like you have a few slides there, and then a few more over here. Here we got a hole right here. So yeah, you can sort of see through this fence. It's kind of hard, but yeah, that's pretty cool. Sunset's pretty nice tonight. They have lots of pebbles, looks like. So just construction stuff in this area, and then over here is where most of everything is. Alright guys, so yeah, I don't think there's anything else back there, just construction stuff. I think most of the park is like pretty much like here. Yeah, so I think I showed you like mostly everything that there is to show. I don't know if there's like a whole lot more to show. Construction is underway, but they still have a lot more progress they have to make if they want it open by spring of 2017. So we'll see. I don't know if it will be open by spring 2017. Again, we'll just have to see and you know, hope that it will open as soon as possible. I know Wet n Wild is closing, and that's their water park that they have right now. So they'll be closing Wet n Wild for Volcano Bay. Well, I don't know for Volcano Bay, but they're just closing Wet n Wild in general. and they're pretty much adding Volcano Bay. Wet n Wild is located in a different area, so it's nowhere near, like it's like across the street, so it's not really near Volcano Bay. I wouldn't say it's, you know, walking distance. So yeah, this is in a whole nother area, if you guys were wondering. Some people thought they already knocked down Wet n Wild and this is where Wet n Wild was. No, Wet n Wild is still open at the time of this recording. And they've been actually working very hard. I gotta say, they've been like doing welding at 1 and 2 in the morning. Actually last night at 3 a.m. I was driving back from Magic Kingdom and I saw that they were doing some welding on the volcano structure and other things like that. So, because I saw this big like flare and I was like, what's that? And I was like, oh, they're doing welding while I was driving. So that was pretty cool. But yeah, I don't know like if there's a whole lot to show you guys. I want to try to show you guys the actual volcano, which is like right there, but it's sort of hard. I wish I had a selfie stick or some kind of big stick that I could like raise above, because as long as you stay on the sidewalk, even if you have a stick or anything, even if you put it, you know, over the fence, as long as you don't actually put it over the fence, you should be good. But yeah, I don't know, Universal's strict about this kind of stuff. Annoying drivers. So it looks like the volcano has some slides already put up. You guys can see right there some white slides. And then off in the distance, some more slides. Over here, the really cool thing is you have these green slides, but then you have like the blue one over there, and it looks like you are on some kind of raft, and then you kind of swirl like that. I think they have something similar like that at Carowinds. I'm not really sure. At one point they had a fire, and some of the I guess pieces for the water slides actually caught fire, but I think they actually got new pieces, so I think they should be good. Looks like it's just open. This is super cool. I cannot wait to ride some of the slides on the volcano. I think it's gonna be awesome. And I'm guessing like you go into the volcano somehow, and then the slides are gonna have like special effects or something. So it's gonna be in the dark, and then maybe they'll have lights around the slides, maybe red like for the volcano. Not sure, but it should be pretty cool. So yeah, you have a couple slides here, and then yeah, that's Volcano Bay so far. And the volcano is going to have a lot of theming. They're going to have like fake lava on it, and you know, stuff like that. And I saw a concept art where they're going to actually have like lights coming up from it, so I don't know if it will be open at night, but that would be actually super cool. Alright guys, walking back now. That was pretty cool. They said I couldn't take any pictures or videos, but from across the street, I'm sure there's no problem. Like, I don't see why there would be a problem. But anyways, yeah. So I'm gonna do it across the street here, and then it looks like over here, the volcano structure, they're doing some welding. I don't know if you guys can see though. So right here, a place called Keller Williams. Walk across the street and get pictures and stuff of the construction. I thought it was interesting that they just had that gate open, like for anyone just to stand in front of and get pictures. I guess they have construction deliveries and stuff. They kind of have to have it open for certain reasons and whatnot. But yeah, that's Volcano Bay. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up because I had to come all the way out here to get the construction footage for you guys. So it did take a lot of time, but I think it was worth it. And if you like more of these, if you want to see more of these videos, if you like this one and you want to see more, just subscribe and comment below. I'll try to do a construction video once a month. If I can, I don't know. Maybe more often, maybe 2 or 3 times a month. We'll just have to see how it goes. But anyways, yeah, that's Volcano Bay. Pretty cool. Alright, check it out, guys. This actually might be the best view, right? I didn't know you could like stand right here. I didn't know that this was an area, but yeah, Volcano Bay. Pretty cool. And there's a building right there, and I have no idea what that building's gonna be. I don't know if that's another hotel they're building or what. It's a little confusing. They haven't announced everything, but from what we know, there's gonna be a lot of water slides.
In 3/4 of a mile, turn left onto West Sand Lake Road.
There's a fancy Wendy's right there.